Hi guys, as I mentioned in my story that I will give you detailed review over this PR package. So here I am. Let's start with eyelashes, and I got this. The packaging is so beautiful. So this style name is Veronica. This is beautiful style. So you will find instruction on the back of the package. It's cruelty free and also application tips here as well. And then next one are 8 glosses. The packaging is really nice. There's the name of the glosses. It's also cruelty free. There's an ingredient list over here. So let's see the colors. So this shade is Cream of Cocoa. Wow, this is beautiful color. And this one is Miami Beach. Beautiful nude shade. And this is Cafe Cappuccino. This one is Peach Chatte. Wow, I love this one. Oh my god, look at this. This is beautiful. All the shades are so beautiful. And the next one is French Honey. This is French Honey. Wow, see the colors? Beautiful. And now the pink one. This one is Doll Street. Wow, this is Doll Street. This one is Cambridge Girl. This one is Cambridge Girl. Beautiful pink color. And the last one is Unicorn Nude. These are so beautiful lip glosses. And next, a set of brushes. This is a pouch, beautiful pouch comes with it, and a full set of brushes. Okay, so here is a full set of 10 brushes, 4 brushes for face and the 6 are for eyes. The bristles are so soft. It also comes with this little card, so here you can see the names of the brushes: lip brushes, eyebrow brushes, smudge brush, shader brush, blending brush, small contour brush, bronzing brush, highlighting brush, foundation brush, and a face brush. Okay, so this is a face brush. The bristles are so soft. Love the quality of the brushes, and the color is so beautiful. This one is bronzing brush. And this one is for highlighting. You can also use for contour. This brush is for contour, for highlighter. This is amazing. And this brush is for foundation. So this is a foundation brush. This is a small contour brush. This one is for blending. This is a shader brush. This is a smudge brush. This is eyebrow brush. And this one is for lip. And the next one is whipped body sugar polish. This is a berry flavor. It smells so good, so fruity. Now I'm going to swatches this palette, my favorite part. And the back of this palette, there's an ingredient list. Also, it says it's vegan plus cruelty free. So this is really amazing. Look at this beautiful color. So in this palette, you will get some matte colors, some glitters, and some shimmer shades. Now let's start swatches. So first I'm going to swatch this color. This is hot pink color. It's called Wow. Oh my goodness, look at this color. This is beautiful color. This called Wow. The next one I'm going to swatch is Boom. This is purple color. Wow, this is beautiful pigment. Love this color. And the third one is shimmer color and it's called Hello. Wow, this shimmer shade is so beautiful, so pigmented, as you can see. And then there is a glitter pink color, hot pink glitter shade. It's called Kapow. Wow, this is beautiful glitter shade. Look at this. And the next one is yellow gold color and it's called Oh My God, like OMG. And yes, it is OMG. Wow, look at this gold color. And the sixth one is Bang. This is light purple, like lilac shimmer. Sorry, glitter. My goodness, beautiful glitter shade. And then we have the shade number 7. It's called Oops. So it's a blue shade and it's called Oops. Let's swatch this one. Look at this pigment. And then we have blue glitter shade. This is amazing. At the last we have a pearl shade, shimmer pearl shade, and it's called Super. This is beautiful shimmer shade for highlighter. This one is so good. So here is a 9 color of palette which they have matte, shimmer and glitter eyeshadows. So soon I will create some amazing looks with this palette, so stay tuned. And now we have here whipped liquid lip mask, lip sugar polish and liquid lip balm. So here is a ingredient list from the back of the box, and also there's a flavor. It's a berry flavor. And the lip polish, it's a watermelon flavor. And for lip balm, it's a cotton candy. So here is a whipped liquid lip mask. This is a mask. This is a lip sugar polish. This is a whipped liquid balm. So that's all guys. Soon I will share some of amazing tutorials with you, so you can also purchase these products from their website. The link is down below. You can use my code to get 20% discount. So my code is GLAZES20, so GLAZES20. So you can follow GLAZE Cosmetic on Instagram to get update. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.